So 'tis the season for some tips and tricks. So it is, what I love so much is like fresh berries, fresh fruit, just things that just look gorgeous. Look how beautiful this is. Right off of, I'm gonna show you. It's right off of the trees, which is like amazing. Or I guess shrubs are not really trees, right? Blueberries are shrubs. Anyway, I'll just eat one real quick. What you can do with blueberries is like really versatile and amazing. Not only can they be something that's savory, they can be sweet, and sometimes they can be savory and sweet. So I'm gonna give you a recipe today to make a blueberry syrup, which is kind of shrub-like, meaning that we're gonna add some vinegar. So it's really, really simple. What you're gonna do is take equal parts blueberries, sugar, and then you're gonna add, so this recipe is 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of sugar, and then you're gonna do 3/4 cups of water, and then 1/4 cup of your favorite vinegar. You're gonna put it into a pan over a medium heat. You're gonna let the sugar dissolve, and then you're gonna close it up and let it sit there, because in the end, what you're gonna get is 2 great products. When you don't overcook it and you don't overcommit it to like become mush, which it will come very quickly, what you're left with are almost fully intact blueberries that just spill all of their flavor. And what you have left is a really cool cocktail garnish. So you can utilize the blueberries in the bottom of drinks, and then you can take the syrup and you can use that for a completely different cocktail or a non-alcoholic experience. I really love this, and I know that you can't smell it, but it's like amazing. It's just like bright blueberry, and it's like has a little hint of a little bit of champagne, which I use the champagne vinegar. So cheers. We'll catch you on the drink side.